Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will solve problem 11 and 12 of exercise 13.1 of 11th class maths. The 11th problem is find the mean deviation about median for the following data. Okay, so we have to find the mean deviation about the median here. The given data is continuous frequency distribution. Okay, because you can see the observations are 0 to 10, then 10 to 20. Okay, so this is a continuous frequency distribution, and what is given here are marks and the number of girls. So that means the marks obtained from 0 to 10 are obtained by 6 girls, marks 10 to 20 are obtained by 8 girls, and so on. So 20 to 30 the number of girls are 14, 30 to 40 number of girls are 16, 40 to 50 number of girls are 4, and 50 to 60 number of girls are 2. So let us make the table which is required to solve the problem here. So the first column will be of marks, and the second column is number of girls, then there is something called as cumulative frequency, then midpoints, that is xi, then modulus of xi minus capital M, where capital M is the median, then fi modulus of xi minus capital M. Okay, let us fill the first two columns. So first column is 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Then number of girls are 6, 8, 14, 6, 8, 14, 16, 4, 2. Cumulative frequency means we have to add the frequencies in following way. So first 6 will be written as 6 only here. Okay, then 6 plus 8 will be 14. Okay, like this we have to take the sum. 14 plus 14 will be 28, 28 plus 16 will be 44, 44 plus 4 will be 48, 48 plus 2 will be 50. Okay, then midpoints of these class intervals. So midpoint of 0 to 10 is 5. You can do it by 0 plus 10 divided by 2, which is 10 divided by 2, so you will get 5 only. Then midpoint of 10 to 20 will be 15, then midpoint of 20 to 30 will be 25, 30 to 40 the midpoint will be 35, 40 to 50 midpoint will be 45, and for 50 to 60 the midpoint is 55. Okay, now we have to find the median. Now you can first see that n by 2. So n by 2 means just sum we have to take of this, and that is 50, right? So n is equal to 50. So that means n by 2 is 50 by 2, that is 25. Okay, so we have to find the median class here. So now let us see how to find the median class. So the class interval containing n by 2th. So we have found out n by 2 here. So that is 25th item is, so the class interval containing 25th item we have to search. So we have to look at the cumulative frequency. So you can see that 25 is between 14 and 28. So we have to select the greater of 14 and 28. So that is 28, right? So the class corresponding to this cumulative frequency will be the median class here. Okay. So the class interval containing 25th item is 20 to 30. Now therefore the median class is 20 to 30. We want the median class to find out the median. Okay, so now let us find out the median. So median capital M is equal to small l plus capital N by 2 minus C divided by F into H. So this formula I have discussed in the third part of the introduction video of the chapter statistics. So you can check the notations. Okay, I have written the notations and their meanings. Okay, so now for now I'll just say that this is the L is the lower limit of the median class, that is 20. Okay, one thing I will do here is write all the values. So L is 20 because it is the lower limit of the median class. Then capital N we have found out, that is 25. Now C is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. I repeat, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that means this here 14. Okay, this is the capital C. Then F is the frequency of the median class, that is nothing but 14. Okay, number of girls means frequency, that is Fi. So 14 is the value of F. Then capital H is nothing but the class width. So you can see that the class width is 10 minus 0, which is 10. So H is 10. So let us substitute all these values here. So 20 plus N is 50. I have written 25. Capital N is 50. We have found out here. Okay. So 50 by 2 minus C is 14 divided by F is also 14. Okay. Then H is 10. So 20 plus 50 by 2 is 25 minus 14 divided by 14 into 10. So that is equal to 20 plus 25 minus 14 will be 11. So 11 by 14 into 10. So that is 20 plus 110 by 14. So let us divide 110 by 14. So 14 7 the let us see. So 7 4s are 28, 7 1s are 7 plus 2 is 98. Okay, and so 14 7s are 98 we have to take, minus 110 minus 98 is 12, extra 0 we have to take, so point here, right? And now let us see 14 8s are 8 4s are 32, 8 1s are 8 plus 3 is 112. So 7.8, so 112. Okay, so this will be 8. Now 0, so 14, 5 the let us see, 5 4s are 20, 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7, so 14 5s are 70. Okay, so that is 10. Now 7.8 we got. Okay, so we will take only one decimal point, so this will be nothing but 27.8. Okay, so median m we got it as 27.8. now we can find this column. Okay, so median is 27.8. so modulus of xi, it is modulus of 5 minus 27.8 is 22.8. then 15 minus 27.8 modulus will be 12.8. then modulus of 25 minus 27.8 will be 2.8. now modulus of 35 minus 27.8, so 35 minus 27.8, so that is 1 borrowed, so this will be 4. Okay, so again 1 borrowed. 10 minus 8 is 2. 14 minus 7 is 7. 2 minus 2 is 0, so that is nothing but 7.2. Okay, then we will get 17.2 here and then 27.2. Okay, now we have to find the product fi into modulus of xi minus m. so 6 times 22.8, so 22.8 times 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 4 is 16. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 1 is 13, so 6.8. then 12.8 times 8, so 12.8 times 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 6 is 22. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 2 is 10, so point here 102.4. then 2.8 times 14, four times 8 is 32. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 3 is 11. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2, so 293, so 39.2. then 7.2 times 16, so 6 2s are 12, 6 7s are 42 plus 1 is 43, plus 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 7 is 7, so 2 5 11, so 115.2. then 17.2 into 4, so 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 7 is 28, 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6, so 68.8. then 27.2 into 2, so 27.2 into 2, that is 4 and 14, 2 to the 4 plus 1 5, so 54.4. Let us take the total here. 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16, 16 plus 8 is 24, 24 plus 4 is 28, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 9 is 19, 19 plus 5 is 24, 24 plus 8 is 32, 32 plus 4 is 36, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 plus 5 is 21, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, so 5 16.8. So now we can find out the mean deviation about the mean deviation about the median. So we will find this. So that is summation I going from 1 to, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 values, fi modulus of xi minus m divided by capital N. So this is equal to, so the sum that we have found out is 516.8. So 516.8 divided by N is 50. So this will be nothing but 51.68 divided by 5. So one decimal point we have to take behind, okay, because of this 0. Now we can find this. So 5 1 the 5, 5 10 the 50, 1 remains, 5 3 the 15, 1 remains, 5 3 the 15, so 30 will remain, so 6. That means 10.34 is the answer. Okay, so let us go to the next problem. The 12th problem is calculate the mean deviation about median age for the age distribution of 100 persons given below. Okay, so let us start solving the problem. Before that, let us look at the table which is given. Age in years, and that is 16 to 20, 21 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 35, 36 to 40, up to 51 to 55, and number, that is the number of persons with age 16 to 20 is 5, number of persons with age 21 to 25 is 6, like that. Okay, now you can see that this is not a continuous frequency distribution, because if you look at the first class interval, it is from 16 to 20, then 21 to 25, so it should have been starting, the second class interval should have been starting with 20, right? So we have to first make these class intervals into continuous frequency distribution. Okay, so the data should be made into continuous frequency distribution. So converting the given data into continuous frequency distribution by subtracting .5 from the upper limit, lower limit, and adding 0.5 to the upper limit. Okay, so let us make the table here. Age in years, then number, so now let us convert this data into continuous frequency distribution. So we have to subtract 0.5 from the lower limit, right? So 16 is the lower limit for the first class interval. So if you subtract 0.5 from 16, you will get 15.5 up to, we have to add 0.5 to the upper limit. So you will get 20.5. Okay. Then for the second class interval, we have to subtract 0.5 from 21, so you will get 20.5 up to, we have to add 0.5 to the upper limit of the class interval, so 25.5. So now you can see that here the upper limit is 20.5 and the lower limit for the second class interval is 20.5. So now we are getting a continuous frequency distribution. So similarly we will write the remaining class intervals. So 25.5 to 30.5, then 30.5 to 35.5, then 35.5 to 40.5, then 40.5 to 45.5, okay, then 45.5 to 50.5, then 50.5 to 55.5. okay, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 items. Now number will be 5 6 12 14, 5 6 12 14, 26 12 16 9. Okay, so this is our Fi. Then we have to write DCF, cumulative frequency, then midpoints, that is Xi, then modulus of Xi minus M, then Fi times modulus of Xi minus M. So let us write the CF column. So first 5 is written as 5, then 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 12 is 23, 23 plus 14 is 37, 37 plus 26 will be 63, 63 plus 12 will be 75, 75 plus 16 will be 91, 91 plus 9 will be 100. So capital N is equal to 100 number of items. Midpoints is denoted as xi. So midpoint of 15.5 up to 20.5. So for finding the midpoint, we have to take the sum of the lower limit and the upper limit divided by 2. So 15.5 plus 25.5 divided by 2. So that will be 5 plus 5 is 10, then 1 is added here. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, right? So okay, let us take the sum here. 25.5, 15.5, it is okay, 15.5 plus 20.5, it is 15.5 plus 20.5 divided by 2. So that is 36 by 2, which is 18. So first midpoint is 18, and similarly the second midpoint will be 23, right? Then we will get 28, then 33, right? Then 38, then 43, 48 and 53. Now we can find the median. So first of all we will see what is n by 2. So n by 2 is nothing but 100 by 2, that is 50, right? So the class interval containing n by 2th, that is 50th item, is, so you can see that 50 is between 37 and 63. So I have to take the greater of the two, so that is 63. So the median class will be this 35.5 to 40.5. So the class interval containing 50th item is 35.5 to 40.5. So therefore the median class is 35.5 to 40.5. Now we can find the median. So median capital M is equal to L plus n by 2 minus C divided by F into H. So this is equal to, lower limit is 35.5 of the median class plus n is 100 divided by 2 minus cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class is this 37. So 37 divided by small f is the frequency of median class, so that is this 26 into h is 5, right? you can check this 20.5 minus 15.5, that is 5. Okay, 20.5 minus 15.5, so 5 minus 5 is 0, 1 borrowed, 10 minus 5 is 5, so this is equal to 35.5 plus 100 by 2 is 50 minus 37 divided by 26 into 5, so this is equal to 35.5 plus 50 minus 37 is 13 divided by 26 into 5, so is equal to m is equal to 35.5 plus 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, so 5 by 2, so this implies capital M is 35.5 plus 2.5, so capital M is equal to 38. Okay, now we can find the two columns which are here, so capital M is 38, so modulus of 18 minus 38, that is modulus of minus 20, which is 20, then modulus of 23 minus 38. Okay, so 38 minus 23, so 5 and 1, so 15. Okay, then we will get 10 here. Okay, then 5 and 0, then 5 and 10, and then 15. Okay, now this column we will find out. Fi 5 times 20 is 100, 15 times 6 is 90, so 12 times 10 is 120, 14 times 5, if we do 14 times 5, so 4 times 5 is 20, 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7, so 70, then 26 times 0 is 0, 12 times 5 is 60, 16 times 10 is 160, and then 15 times 9, if we do 9 times 5 is 45, 9 times 1 is 9 plus 4 is 13, so 135. Now we will take the sum here, so this is 5 here, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18, 18 plus 6 is 24, 24 plus 6 is 30, 30 plus 3 is 33, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, so 735. So now we can find the mean deviation about the median. So now mean deviation about the median M is equal to summation I going from 1 to 8 Fi modulus of xi minus capital M divided by capital N. So this is equal to, so we have found out this sum here, so 735, and then divided by 100 because capital N is 100, so that is nothing but 7.35. Okay, so that is the answer. So that's it in the video. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. I will see you in the next video.